I just took a remote responder medical class, and this could completely change how you handle emergencies in the future.
He's the man knows what you need. Water, food, security, greed. No surprise when storms expand. Local prepper is the man.
Hey everyone, I recently attended the Refuge Medical Remote Responder class. It was a 4-hour virtual online workshop, and let me tell you, it was an incredible experience. I walked away feeling pretty empowered, more confident, and ready to handle emergencies. Truth be known, I do have some medical training through my time in the military, but this class was taught. It was excellent. It was excellent. Now, uh, today, I want to share with you what I learned and why I feel so positive about this course. And spoiler alert, I actually learned a lot. So let's dive in. The remote responder class is designed to teach you how to respond to medical emergencies, especially in high stress situations like trauma scenarios. It's modeled after Refuge Medical's in-person Responder 1 class, but delivered virtually, so you can learn from pretty much anywhere. Now, I took the class last Friday, and it was packed with hands-on knowledge. So what did I learn? First off, the course offered critical trauma medicine skills. We went deep into to treating severe injuries like arterial bleeding, gunshot wounds, and sucking chest wounds. The instructors broke down each step clearly, how to apply pressure, the use of tourniquets, or even how to pack a wound. Now, they even explained how to use tools like hemostatic gauze and chest seals, which have come a long way since my time in the military. It wasn't just theory; they showed us real world applications, and I could easily follow along from home, no problem. One of my favorite parts was how interactive it was. The instructors encouraged questions, and we could see demonstrations in real time. They explained not just what to do, but why it works, which really made the information stick. It really kind of stuck there. For example, I learned how to recognize signs of shock and stabilize someone until help arrives. It felt like I was building a mental toolkit for emergencies. Really stood out was how empowering the class felt. I'm not a doctor and or a paramedic, but after those 4 hours, it felt like my skills had definitely leveled up. The instructors were patient, knowledgeable, and made the material accessible. They emphasized staying calm under pressure and developing clear processes to follow if you're in an emergency. Another thing that I loved was that the class was not overwhelming. It was structured to give you just enough detail to be effective without kind of bogging you down. We covered the basics of emergency response, like assessing the scene for safety, prioritizing injuries, and communicating with first responders. I also learned about the gear I'd need in a trauma kit, which made me think about what I carry in my car or even at home. Now, honestly, I went into this class thinking it might be simplistic, but I was so wrong. The virtual format was super convenient and the instructors made it engaging. I felt really positive about attending because I walked away with stronger skills that I can actually use. Whether it's helping a stranger in a car accident or being prepared for a natural disaster, I I feel ready to kind of step up. Another one of those things that I'm calling the best parts is the confidence boost. Before this class, I hadn't had much training since the military, not had to treat a serious wound in a while. With this class, I have it again, and I know I can act decisively. The remote responder class didn't just teach me skills, it gave me the mindset to stay calm and make a difference. I'm already looking forward to practicing what I learned and maybe even taking some more classes from Refuge Medical. Now, if you're thinking about taking the Refuge Medical Remote Responder class, just do it. There's a link in the description that'll get you all the info that you need. And for the money, you get 4 hours of top-notch training that could literally save a life. So make sure to check out refugemedical.com, find their training tab to sign up for the next session. I learned so much and I feel more prepared than ever. I want to thank you guys for watching, and please let me know in the comments if you're taking a class like this or what skills you want to learn next. And as usual, stay safe, have a great day, and I'll see you when I see you. Bye-bye.
When central power